All right, here we are in a beautiful Bakersfield, California day. We're gonna walk around and tell you about a really nice 1957 Chevy Belair Resto-Mod. Very nicely done. Restoration done, about 7,500 miles on it. Snow White restorations out of the Fresno area, California here, just north of here. Beautiful body on this one. Body off frame style restoration. Finished in its factory style color artesian turquoise. All the windows have a nice smoke tint on them like that there. But you'll see the fit and finish. Just very nice. Ford 9-inch rear differential out back. Parallel leaf springs. Up front here it has power disc brakes. Drum in the rear. True Halibrand kidney bean wheels and center caps. Smoke tint on the rear and side windows of it. All the prep that you can tell that went into this. All the gaps on this are very nice. Brand new set of BF Goodrich radial rubber on it. We get it up on the lift. We'll cover the tire size for you. 2023 date code on the tires. Runs perfectly, gets down the highway sweet. 9-inch differential in the rear, has a 350 ratio. Underneath the hood, here's a ZZ4 350 aluminum cylinder head, hydraulic roller camshaft in it. Topped off with tune port fuel injection Corvette style. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Fun to drive this car. Just nice and quiet. Dynamex mufflers on it. You'll hear it run here throughout the video. You probably already have. Look up front there, still has a few bugs on it, but very well taken care of. Very nice car. It's resting in the hands of the owner that had it originally restored. Chrome and Brightworks, just beautiful. Fits nice, like we talked about. See the reflections of the fence on the side of the car, very straight. Mild Resto-Mods. Up front, factory style upper and lower control arms. All again, body off frame restoration. Bottom side of the floor pans are nice. Finished off in a semi-gloss black. You'll see the finger guards here on the door handles and you get an idea of the finish. Get you in the passenger side here. Artesian turquoise, beautiful color. Perfect for this kind of restoration on these cars. Door jamb to door jamb, very nice. Factory style dash, factory style trim. Under dash AC vents. Beautiful wool style carpet. Factory style seating. It has power windows. All 4 windows are power. Very nice high-end dark gray or charcoal gray leather interior on it. Done in a factory style dress or feel. See all the latches and hardware have all been CAD plated or replaced. Dome light works, nice sculpted panel. Get in the trunk, much like the door panels. You see the door panels here. Doors shut nice. Rain flippers work nice on it. All this trim and Brightwork's been wonderfully restored. Step back and take a look here. I don't think I did it up front, but we'll let you get a feel there. Panel fits nice. In the back here, a lot of times you'll see these things pucker up here. This is nice. There's no over the wheel wells is beautiful, wonderfully straight. Brightwork's nice on the back here. It's really hard to get these trunks to fit right. The fit of the trunk is very nice all the way around, top to bottom. Those year manufacturer plates will stay with the owner unless it stays in California. Again, we'll step back and let you take a peek there. Same thing over here. Fitted this tin panel is very nice. Straight sides. Again, the smoke window. We'll get inside and fire it up here for you. Starts right up, drives down the highway, just cruises along. Dynamax mufflers, probably already mentioned that, nice and quiet. Power window switches are on the seat here. Here's a peek of the back seat here. Again, this is all leather interior. Factory style dash, emergency brakes functional, factory vent is affixed like it should be, door jamb is finished off nice. Of course, the door panels that we talked about. Classic Instruments gauges, 7562 on the miles since restoration. Classic Instruments gauges that are designed to fit in the factory pods. Wipers work. Power steering. Custom auto sound radio in the dash there. Vintage air that operates off factory controls. Sitting underneath the hood here is a ZZ4 350 crate engine that's been topped off with tuned port fuel injection. Very nice combo. These ZZ4 350 engines were rated at about 430 horsepower. They have aluminum cylinder heads that were Corvette derived. It has mid-length tube headers on it. It's a full roller camshaft in these. Nice ball milled billet valve covers that match the tuned port injection, fuel injection on it. 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission has been completely rebuilt. The miles on the odometer are the miles on this build. You'll catch the aluminum cylinder heads right there. Billet pulleys and belt drive up front here. Power steering, power disc brakes. Vintage air conditioning compressor right here. You'll see the fit and finish on the firewall is just beautiful, like the exterior of the car here. Factory style suspension has been lowered with drop spindles, that type of thing. The body off restoration that we already talked about. All polished stainless button head hardware here, Allen. You'll see that done. Coarse port, and all the upper sheet metals here is finished body color, nice show quality. Bottom side of the hood equally so. Give you a peek up front here. Good running car. The rear end is a 350 ratio, 9-inch in the back. Great highway cruiser. Finished off nicely, the interior style carpet, matching panels in the back here, full size spare. I like the touch of leaving the beautiful factory side panels or steel panels finished in body color, nicely done. All the jambs are finished off nice. Clearly professional restoration on this one, on a nice car. I'll get you up here. This panel here is the access for the battery. So it has a Optima Red-Top battery in the back here. Little panel sticks up in there and you'll see the battery turn off with a tender on board there. Very nice body off frame restoration by Snow White. Get up here and cover the body panels for you. Very nice underside here, all factory style panels. It's been updated with a Ford 9-inch rear differential in the back here. Stainless steel fuel tank upgrade. Traditional style parallel leaf springs in the back with gas shocks. Dynamax mufflers on it. Nice mellow sound. Tires were recently renewed on it with 2023 date codes. We'll get to the rear tire size here for you. Rear tire size is a 235/70 R15 in the back. BF Goodrich TA radials. Super nice inner and outer rockers on this one. You'll see the floor pans are finished in a nice semi-gloss black. Emergency brake. Again, 9-inch rear differential behind me here. 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission, finished in body color. Trans cooler mounted up here on the cross member cooler. Mid-link tubed headers. O2 sensors are right here for the tune port fuel injection. Up front, disc brakes. Tire size up front is a 205/60 R15 BF Goodrich TAs. Again, brand new tires. OEM style suspension. It's been lowered with drop spindles, that type of thing, springs. Power steering. The inner fenders are all body color there. Turn around, let you get a look, and go around the back side here. Stabilizer bar up front. Another view here. Gets in the feel of the rockers there. Inner rockers are beautiful. See the finish on the floor pans there. Dual exhaust, exit out the back. Again, 9-inch differential.